Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by enabling the extension and confirming Chrome is current. This fixes most simple failures. Open Chrome, //extensions, flip the switch and note the extension version and update date. If Chrome is out of date, update it now. Many APIs change with updates. Once done, restart Chrome, use Chrome, //restart to reload everything cleanly. This immediate sequence eliminates permission and compatibility problems and prepares you for deeper troubleshooting without wasting time on needless steps. Next, inspect permissions and reset the extension data to remove corrupted state. Click Details, verify site access and optional permissions. Open the background page console to spot errors. If errors persist, remove and re-add the extension to clear local storage or use the extension's reset option if present. Then, disable other extensions to detect conflicts. Alternatively, run in incognito after enabling the extension there. These steps isolate permission, data, and conflict causes so you can target. For final fixes, test with a fresh Chrome profile to determine if your profile is corrupted. Create one and install the extension there. If problems persist across profiles, backup bookmarks, uninstall Chrome, reinstall the latest build, and add extensions selectively so you can spot the culprit. If you still see failures, enable developer mode, open the extension console, and collect the extension ID and error logs. Then contact the developer with that info. It speeds resolution and avoids guesswork.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.